In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and manage work in Asana. By the end, you'll be comfortable signing in, navigating your workspace, creating a project, adding tasks, assigning owners and due dates, and using comments and status updates to keep everything moving smoothly. Start by signing into your Asana account. Open your browser, head to Asana's website, and log in with your usual credentials. If you use a work account, make sure you're accessing the correct organization so you see the right teams and projects. Once you're in, take a second to let the dashboard load and confirm you're on the home screen. Next, open your workspace or team area. In the left sidebar, you'll see the list of organizations, workspaces, and teams you belong to. Select the one where your work lives. This ensures that the people who need visibility and access will have it. If you're part of multiple teams, switching here helps you stay organized and avoid creating projects in the wrong place. Now create or open the project you want to work on. If you're starting fresh, click to create a new project and choose a layout that matches your workflow. List for checklists, board for a Kanban style flow, or timeline if you want scheduling visibility. If a project already exists, simply open it. Give your project a clear name so teammates instantly understand its purpose. With your project open, add tasks for the work that needs to be done. Think in terms of actionable, bite-sized steps, each represented by its own task. Give tasks clear titles and use sections or columns to group related work. This helps everyone see what's planned, what's in progress, and what's done at a glance. Assign tasks, add due dates, and include details. Each task should have a single owner, so it's clear who is responsible. Set realistic due dates to create urgency and alignment. In the task description, include context, requirements, links, and any relevant checklists. Attach files as needed and consider adding subtasks for multi-step items so nothing falls through the cracks. Finally, use comments, updates, and task status to keep the work moving. Post comments to share progress, ask for clarification, or add at mentioned teammates for quick input. Update task status or mark tasks complete as work advances so the project reflects reality. Regular updates reduce status meetings and keep everyone aligned without extra effort. That's the full flow. Sign in, pick the right workspace or team, open or create your project, add tasks, assign and schedule them, and keep everything up to date with comments and status. Follow this rhythm and your Asana projects will stay clear, accountable, and on track.